students. Today we will discuss next part of chapter 13, exercise 13.2. In exercise 13.2, example number second. Example second is in figure PQ is a tangent line of a circle whose center is O, which touches the circle at point R. If angle TRQ equal 30 degree, then find SOR and RTO. Okay, find angle SOR and RTO. Okay, this figure is given. Circle now PRQ is tangent line, R is tangent point, okay, contact point, OR is a radius, SOT is a diameter. Now angle TRQ is given a 30 degree. Therefore, since SOT is diameter of circle, SOT is a diameter of circle, so SRT equal 90 degree. SRT equal a 90 degree means this angle is a 90 degree because angle made in a semicircle. Angle made in semicircle is a 90 degree. Therefore, angle SRT, it means R equal a 90 degree. Clear? Now, and by RT code, RT is a code means RT. RT is code, so RST is alternate segment of TRQ. RST means RST. RST means this angle is a alternate of TRQ. Alternate TRQ means this one is a alternate angle. Okay, equal na. Therefore, RST equal TRQ equal a 30 degree. It means we can say that these two angles are equal. So RST equal TRQ equal a 30 degree. But triangle ORS is an isoscale triangle. Triangle ORS is an isoscale triangle. Then whose OS equal OR, OS equal OR. OS is radius, OR is also radius. Therefore, OS equal OR are the radius of circle. Now, clear that RST, this one is equal to 30. So, RST equal SRO. SRO means this one. Okay, these two are equal. So, 30 degree. Therefore, SOR equal SOR. It means this angle means angle R plus angle O plus angle S. By a triangle, all sum of all angle is 180 na. Therefore, this one is 30, this one is 30. So this angle is 180 minus 30 and 30. It means SOR equal 180 minus 30 and 30. 30 and 30, 60. So SOR equal 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60 means SOR equal 120 degree. So this one is 120 degree. This one is straight line. Now remaining part is 60 degree. Therefore ORT. This one is 30. This one 90. So 60, 60. And this one is 30. It means ORT 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 means 60 degree. ORT 90 minus 30 means 60 degree. Okay, 90 minus 30 means 60 degree. 90 minus 30 means 60 degree. Now in triangle ORT, in this triangle ORT, we can write OR equal OT because both are radius of circle. Therefore, RTO equal ORT. It means this one is 60 degree. Now we calculate RTO. RTO is 60 and SOR is 120 degree. Okay, according to question, we calculate RTO equal 60 degree and SOR is 120 degree answer. Okay, simple. Only alternate segment means this one 30, this one is 30. Okay, now this one is 30, so this one is also 30 because OS equal OR, radius na, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So corresponding part are equal, then their corresponding angle are also equal. It means this one is 30, this one is 30. So remaining part by angle sum property in triangle, this one is 30 30 60, 180 minus 60 120, 120 means this one is 60, this one is 60, and 60 60, this one is 30. Okay, 120 and 60 is a answer. According to question SOR, RTO is a 60 and a 120. 60 and 120 is a answer. Clear? Next, example number 3. Example number 3 is in figure PQ and RS are tangents. In figure PQ and RS are tangents. Line at point A and C. Line at point A and C. Okay, line at point A and C. If ABC is given 60 degree, ABC is given 60 degree. ABC, this one is given 60 degree. Now QAP is a tangent line and RCS is also tangent line. Okay, and this one is given 40 degree. BAP equal 40 degree. BAP equal 40 degree. So angle made in same segment, this one is also 40, 40 and 40. Okay, and then find the value of BCR. Find the value of BC and R. It means this one, this complete angle we find out. Okay, now this one is 40, so remaining part RCA calculate. Now tangent line PQ and chord AB passes through point A. Tangent line PQ and AB means this one. Okay, passes through point A. Both are passes through point A. Therefore ACB means this one and BAP this one. Alternate angle na, angle made in same segment, so equal. This one is a 40. It means ACB equal a 40 degree. ACB equal a 40 degree. Equation first. Now similarly tangent line CR and chord AC passes through point C. Tangent line CR and chord, okay, chord AC, tangent line CR and chord AC passes through point C na, both are point C. Here QP and AB both are intersect point A. Here CR and CA both are intersect point C. Therefore, so ACR equal ABC. ACR equal ABC means this one is also alternate segment. So this one is 40 and this one is a 60. Now we calculate RCA na. So we calculate BCR. BCR means this complete angle. 40 plus 60, 100 degree. It means by equation first and second, adding equation first and second, ACB plus ACR. ACB plus ACR means BCR. ACB plus ACR. ACB plus ACR means BCR, and BCR is 40 plus 60. 40 plus 60 means 100 degree. So value of BCR is 100 degree answer. 100 degree is a answer. Only angle made in same segment. Angle made in same segment means suppose that this angle, okay, circle, and this one is tangent line. This one is a tangent line. Okay, PAQ. PAQ is tangent line. O is center. Okay, now BC, triangle ABC. This one is given, suppose that 40 degree. This one is given 40 degree. Now angle made in same segment means this angle is also 40 degree. Okay, alternate on same line and angle made on a same segment means alternate na. Therefore this one is 40, this one is also 40. So use this identity or this theorem in this question. Only simple theorem, alternate angle or angle made in a same segment. It means this one is 40 degree, angle made in same segment means this one is 40, this one is 60, so this one is 60. 60 plus 40, we calculate BCR na. BCR means RCA plus ACB. So BCR 40 plus 60, 100 degree. Equation first, ACB equal 40 degree. Now by equation second, here RC and CA intersect point C. Therefore equation second, ACR equal 60 degree. Adding equation first and equation second, by equation first and second, ACB plus ACR, ACB plus ACR, it means both are added, so BCR. So ACB plus ACR, ACB plus ACR means BCR. 40 plus 60, 40 plus 60, it means 100 degree. So we get value of BCR is a 100 degree answer. 100 degree is a answer. Okay, next. Next is example number 4. Example number 4 is okay. Example number 4. Example number 4 is in figure. In figure, point M is middle point of line segment. M is middle point of line segment. Okay. Now segment AB taking AM, MB and AB, taking AM, MB and AB as diameter of semicircle. First semicircle, this one, so diameter is AM. Second semicircle, this one, diameter is MB. And third semicircle complete, it means A to B diameter. Okay, now has been drawn one side, taking O as center of circle. O as center of circle, R radius. Draw a circle in such a way that it touches the all three side. Then prove that R equal 1 by 6 AB. Then prove that R equal 1 by 6 AB. Okay. This diagram is given. Now this circle means radius is R. Okay. Join O to C. OC equal point P intersect and OD point Q intersect. Okay. Now according to question, semicircle are drawn. Semicircle are drawn by taking C, M, O and D as center. Okay. First center is C. This semicircle center is C. Second semicircle center is D, and third circle center is O. Okay, so CMOD as a diameter of as a center, and M is also center. Now let AB equal A. Let total AB equal A. Let complete is A. Then AM means half of A. Half of A means A divided by 2. Half of A means A divided by 2. A divided by 2. MB is also A divided by 2. Now AC means half of A by 2. Half of A by 2 means A by 4. So AC equal A by 4. Therefore AM equal A by 2. Okay. Now AC equal CM. AC equal CM. MD equal DB. MD equal DB. Okay. And CP equal DQ. CP equal DQ. Our radius of equal a semicircle. Our radius of equal a semicircle. Therefore, we get CM equal MD. CM equal MD. CM equal MD and CP equal DQ. CP equal DQ. Okay. Then we can say that CM is half of A by 2. Half of A by 2 means CM is A by 4. CM is A by 4. Equation first. CM is A by 4 equation first. Now OC equal OD. OC means OC equal OD. OC means this one is P and this one is R. Okay. So this one OP plus PC. OP plus PC means half of A by 2 into 1 by 2. So A by 4 plus this one is R na. So A by 4 plus R. It means A by 4 plus R. Equation second. Now OM, O to M. O to M means this one is R. So this one is R. Now MR minus OR na. MR total minus OR. It means MR. MR is diameter means half of a means a by 2 minus r, so a by 2 minus r, a by 2 minus r. Equation third. Now since triangle OCD means triangle OCD, this triangle OCD, in triangle OCD is an isoscale triangle, it means isoscale triangle means two side equal, it means OC equal OD, therefore OC equal OD, and M is the midpoint of CB. Here OC equal OD and M is the midpoint of CD. M is the midpoint of CD means M divides CD into two equal part. Therefore CM equal DM. Okay, clear. CM equal DM. It means OM is perpendicular on CD. CM equal DM means OM is perpendicular on CD. OM is perpendicular on CD means perpendicular divide line segment into two equal part. Therefore, now in right angle triangle OMC, means right angle triangle OMC means this one is right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, M is 90 degree, so OC is a hypotenuse. So OC square equals CM square plus OM square. Therefore OC square equals CM square plus OM square. Okay, now so from equation first, second and third, we get from equation first, second and third all equations values put in this OC means a by 4 plus r, whole square. CM means a by 4 whole square, as it is, and OM means a by 2 minus r, whole square, as it is. Okay, here a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus a 2ab. A square means a by 4 whole square, means a square upon 16 plus b square means r into r square equal, plus 2ab means 2 into ar upon 4, 2 cancel out, ar by 2. Okay, now here a by 4 into a by 4, a square by 16 plus, as it is. Now a minus b whole square means a square means a square upon 4 plus b square means r square minus 2ar, 2 cancel out, minus ar. Okay, clear that here a square by 16 cancel out, and r square cancel out by r square. Therefore ar by 2 minus ar by 2 minus transferring on other side, so ar by 2 plus ar by 2 plus ar, remaining part a square by 4. Okay, then here taking LCM is a 2. Now ar plus 2ar means 3ar divided by 2, equal, as it is. Now a square by 4 as it is. Okay, then here 4 cancel out by 2, means 2 time cancel out, 2 into 3 means 6ar minus a square equal 0, so 6ar minus a square equal 0, but a not equal 0 means this one is common part is a. Now remaining part 6r minus a equal 0, a 0, 6r minus a equal 0, it means 6r equal plus a. Now here value of r equal a by 6, we get a by 6. Therefore we can say that radius equal 1 by 6 of a, and a equal ab, so also radius equal 1 by 6 of ab. R equal 1 by 6 of AB, because A replaced by AB, and question condition is a complete. Okay, now again only semicircle. Okay, only semicircle. First we let AB equal total complete A, AM is half of AB, so A by 2. MB is also also A by 2. Now SC is half of AM by 2, so A by 2 into 1 by 2, A by 4. SC equal A by 4, CM equal A by 4, MD equal A by 4, DB equal also A by 4. Okay, now here triangle is OCD. OCD is triangle. OCD is isosceles triangle. Here OC equal OD, OC equal OD, corresponding side equal, corresponding part equal. Then CM equal MD, because OM is perpendicular on a CD. Therefore CM equal MD. CM equal MD na. Equation first means OC. Okay, OC equal OD. OC equal OD means OP equal R and CP equal A by 2. So A by 4. A by 4 plus R. A by 4 plus R. Equation first. Now equation first A by 4. Equation second A by 4 plus R. Equation third A by 2 minus A R. Therefore all these equation put in this right angle triangle. OC square equal CM square plus OM square. OC is A by 4 plus R whole square, is CM is A by 4 whole square plus A by 2 minus R whole square. Okay, solve out this. Now we get value of 6R equal A. 6R equal A means R equal A by 6 and A replaced by AB. Then we can say that radius equal 1 by 6 of AB. Hence proved. Okay students, remaining question try yourself. If you have any doubt, query, questions, then write comment on comment box. Okay, thanks.